Hello guys, Joel here, the next N16. This is the unboxing of the JBL Micro II. This is a portable speaker connectable with a 3.5 mm cable for quick connect and play, rechargeable, and has bus ports. So let's start with this. So here we find the speaker itself. Quite handy. Let's keep it aside. Take a look at the accessories. Here we have the accessory bag. We have a carrying case and a micro USB connector. Then it has the owner's manual, important information and stuff. That's it. Then the warranty card, etc. Now let's pop this out. Here it is, the speaker itself. You can see nice color on design. 3.5 mm jack. It also has the JBL connector. Let's take a look at the sound output.
When I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag.
FCC information.
I remember when we used to sit
Very loud, powerful
in the
music.
government yard in Brooklyn. About solving the crooked days. I've been going through the people. See, I am here for a reason. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when negativity,
So it connects to any 3.5 mm jack. The USB connector. Charge. So that's it.